Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I totally forgot to film an intro, so this is now my intro. So I'm just showing you guys here that my skin really broke out. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I try to conceal this for this look. So I'm starting off with the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Primer. This stuff just fills in your pores or any uneven surfaces in the skin, and it's skin colored, so it's great. So I'm kind of putting that all over my pores and my pimps, especially that huge one on my chin because I popped it that morning. Gross, I know, but I love popping pimples, and the thing was massive, so it looks like a crater on my face now. So I had to it's just so hard to fill in a zit that is like freshly popped. If you guys feel me, it's literally a hole in my face. So extremely difficult, but I'm just trying to put that primer stuff in it, and then I'm just going to set just that one pimple with the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect powder to maybe like let it sit and fill in. I'm priming my face with the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer. I'm just putting this all over because it makes your skin nice and glowy. I actually really like this stuff, but I barely use primer. I don't know why. But yeah, this one's really good if you want a nice glowy look. I just don't pair it with like an illuminating foundation or anything, only matte. So now I'm going in with this really old concealer quad thing I have. I'm just using the green to put it on those pimps once again because they're super swollen and super red, and the green will kind of cancel out the redness. And then I blend it in lightly, but like not completely, because I'm going to be putting foundation over anyway, so it's okay if it's still green. So now I'm taking the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation in the shade Vanilla. It's a bit too dark for my skin right now because I'm not fake tanned and it's winter, but we're going to work with it. So I just like to apply that with a brush first, and then I blend it in with my beauty blender. That's it. It's just not going away. You guys will see me struggle this whole video. So for concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just highlighting underneath my eyes. And I am putting it directly on my zit. I know I'm gross. So I'm just highlighting right on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to contour with my Hoola by Benefit contour stick. This one is so good and it blends so well. It's so creamy. I just love it. It's made cream contouring a dream. So now I'm just going to blend away the concealer. I like to put my concealer and my contour on at the exact same time, because if I just do the concealer, I forget to cream contour because I start setting it right away, and then it's too late. So to set underneath my eyes and on my lids, I'm just taking this fluffy brush and using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I just like to kind of like dab that on top. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 225, and I just like to use patting motions and put this all over my face because it adds a bit of extra coverage as well, which I need because, oh, look at that skin. It's breaking out. Now I'm going in with my Chocolate Soleil Too Faced bronzer. This stuff smells so yummy. So I'm just using this to like lightly contour. I didn't really do a harsh contour or anything like that. I'm just kind of putting it in all the high points of my face where the sun would naturally hit, because I'm pasty and I don't look good pasty. I feel like some people are just seasonally attractive, and winter is just not my good time. So I'm also taking this tiny little brush from Benefit. It came with one of the powders. I just like to use it to kind of like contour my nose. And to add some extra warmth to the face, I'm taking this Upside Down Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I'm just adding that on the same places I used the Chocolate Soleil. Chocolate Soleil is more of like a matte contour shade. Hey sister. And this one's more of like a bronzy sun-kissed look, so I like to use both. So now I'm just using this blush from Tarte. Yeah, it's from Tarte. And then I'm highlighting with the Benefit Dandelion highlighter. This is such a nice natural highlight. It's not anything crazy. It's not anything overly blinding. I mean, you could build it up to that if you like, but it's just nice. And then I'm going in with the Too Faced White Peach palette. I'm just using the shade Peach Sorbet right there, and I'm going to use that as my transition. I end up switching palettes because I didn't know what I wanted to do. But yeah, I added a little bit more powder, and that's it, to kind of bake it, if you will. But yeah, I'm just using that Peach Sorbet shade in the crease to kind of warm up the eye and start the transition. So now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and I'm going in with the shade right here. It's a nice warm brown shade. I really like it, but it's super, super pigmented. So be careful. Don't be like me. I had to do a lot of blending that I didn't include in here to kind of make that not so dramatic. But yeah, I'm just kind of putting that in my crease as well and bringing it a little bit down as well. And then I'm taking this nice auburn red shade and I'm putting it on the outer like V portion of my lid. So now I'm just taking this nice chestnut shimmery shade from the same palette, just using my finger to pat that all over. Sorry if you guys find this look super basic, but I promised you guys I would bring very easy tutorials that everybody could do. I'll start mixing in like a cool, fun, more difficult level one here and there, but I said I'd do some easy looks because most people that watch my videos that I've seen in person have told me they've tried to follow them and they just cannot do some of the fun, colorful looks I've done. So now I'm just going to take this shimmery white shade and I'm going to highlight my brow bones and in the inner corners. This really just helps the look pop, so I highly recommend doing this. Like, the look does not look nearly as good if you don't do this step. And then I'm taking this Benefit Goof Proof pencil in the shade 3 and I'm just going to brush up my brow hairs really fluffy and high because I just want a nice feathered brow. I just don't think my brows are that, I don't know, they're weird. I just want Maddie Ziegler brows. But yeah, I'm going to try filling this in. This part's pretty boring, so I did skip over a lot of it, but here are the few clips I inserted of me filling in my brows. So now I'm just taking this Rimmel black liner. Any liner will do. I'm really bad at this, so this took me a lot longer than you'll be seeing in this video because I messed it up so much, but I've been trying to do more winged liner lately because I just feel like it really ties the look together, makes you look fierce. I'm also using this mascara before I put falsies on. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, is that what it's called? But it's like the best mascara I've ever used in my life. It's almost empty, so try it anyways. And then for this eyeliner, honestly, I think it's like $1 from somewhere. It's not that good, but I just had it there. I just wanted to lightly add a little bit of black to the bottom lash line. And then these falsies are just from the brand Kiss, and they're from Walmart in a pack of like 6 or something. They were super cheap. I just grabbed whatever I had laying at my vanity. And then this is the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Strip Down. So I'm just using this to line my lips. It makes the biggest difference. I like started lining my lips in 2014 and I don't even know how I survived before then. So just lining those, and then I like went in with a very similar shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Stripped. Even the name is pretty similar. And I think that's the last part of this video. I didn't do any gloss or anything. I just kept it simple with a liquid lipstick. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this look, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, go to my Instagram, anything, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!